Punctuation in English and their uses. Full stop. At the end of a sentence. Comma. To separate items in a series. Semicolon. To join two independent clauses. Question mark. To show that it is a question. Exclamation after an exclamation. Slash to separate letters, numbers, etc. Apostrophe to show when a letter or number has been left out. @ for email address. Ellipsis mark. One or more words have been intentionally left out. Round brackets to add extra information to a sentence. Quotation marks to indicate a phrase to show that someone else has written or said it. Hope you like this video. For more informative videos like this, keep subscribing our channel. Thank you.